In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana for team collaboration. We're going to walk through a simple but essential part of collaborating in Asana, inviting your teammates into your workspace so you can start working together on projects and tasks. I'll guide you through each click and also share a few tips along the way, so you understand not just what to do, but why it matters. First, make sure you're logged into your Asana account and that you're on your main home screen or project view. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see the sidebar where your projects and teams are listed. Look toward the lower part of that sidebar for a plus icon. This is the button Asana uses for adding or inviting people. Go ahead and click on that plus icon. Once you've clicked it, a small menu or window will appear. In this menu, you should see an option labeled Invite. This is the key action that allows you to bring new members into your workspace or team. Click on Invite to open the invitation panel. Now you'll see a field where you can type in email addresses. This is where you add the people you want to collaborate with in Asana. Carefully type in the work email addresses of your teammates, clients, or collaborators you want to add. You can usually paste multiple emails or type them one by one, separated by commas depending on how Asana is set up for your account. As you add people, take a quick moment to double check the spelling of each email. Getting this right is important because Asana will send them an invitation directly, and any mistake can mean they never receive it. If your plan allows it, you may also see options to assign them to a specific team or set their role, but for now, the main focus is simply entering their correct email addresses. When you're done adding everyone you want to invite, look for the Send button in the invitation window. This is usually highlighted so it's easy to notice once you've entered at least one email. Click on Send. As soon as you do that, Asana will send out invitation emails to those addresses. Your teammates will be prompted to join your workspace, create or log into their Asana accounts, and they'll automatically be connected to your team. From there, you'll be ready to assign tasks, share projects, and truly collaborate in Asana.